I tried searching in the YouTube for different videos on oversized clothing which you can buy right now here in India, but however I couldn't find any of those videos, and then I thought I will only make a video and I will help you guys along with helping myself. All these pieces are from H&M. Yes, this is a H&M shopping haul. This is not an extensive oversized clothing haul, but however I got you guys covered with the overshirts, t-shirts and the linen trouser which is appropriate for the summer season. Hi guys, this is Isham. Welcome back to my channel Find Your Style with me. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the piece number 1, if you see this very closely, this is an overshirt in brown color. This actually it's like a jersey kind of a material. These are called as shirt jackets in H&M. I particularly like this material because of the stretch it have. Go to true to size. If you want to size down, that will be too tight for you guys. This I got it in a size of medium, and if you see this very closely, this is priced at 2,300. I got it in the H&M store for the full price, but however this is available online as well. I will leave the link in the description below. Coming to the fit of this fits, as the video is all about the oversized clothing. This fit a bit on the regular side. Please bear in mind guys, whatever the pieces I am showing in this video, those are not like too oversized kind of pieces. Just to implement that oversized fashion and oversized trends in your day-to-day outfits. So coming to the piece number 2 from this oversized clothing shopping haul is the same jersey shirt jacket, or called as overshirt. So this is the same one which I have showed in the piece 1, but it's in a black color. This is also priced at 2,300 and I got this in a size of medium and it fits on the regular side. Everything stays the same which I told for the piece number 1. The piece number 3 from the shopping haul is the beige brown. I wanted to up my style game, but not going just with the white color t-shirts, but like using this off-white to beige color t-shirts inside the jackets as well as the overshirts. So I have gone with this. They do have the white color and black color as well, but I have picked the 2 different colors for the summer season because the pastel kind of vibe which you have to wear during the summer season, it is in line with the trend. But however, if I have to tell one thing about this, these are the heavyweight t-shirts. If you see this very closely, it's written these are the heavyweight t-shirts, and these are priced at 800 rupees. I got this from the H&M store in a size of small. My general t-shirt size is medium. These are the oversized t-shirts. I recommend for you guys to size down. Actually, for the oversized t-shirts, what you have to look after is that the seams, it should not stand, it should drape over the shoulders, and it should come somewhere around this arm length. As we are dealing with the oversized clothing, it fits on the regular side. Coming to the piece number 4 for this oversized clothing haul is also the same, the relaxed fit t-shirt in a size of small, but I got it in a different color. It's not like a too bright pink, but it's not baby pink either. And I particularly like this color because it could be versatile if you wear with the contrast. Like for example, if you mix and match with the black color shirt jacket here, it would be a better combination, or if you go for the lighter colors also, you can pull it off very easily. And I got this for a price of 800, but however I will leave the link in the description below. Please feel free to check it out and wishlist them so that you can buy when you get this product on a discounted price. Coming to the last piece, the piece number 5. Actually, this is the one and only outlier. I got one trouser. This is the linen trouser from H&M. I just got one because I don't want to show the multiple color options in this video, because this video is all about what pieces of oversized clothing you can pick. You can shop the black color, blue color, gray color. They do have the different color options. This color I picked it because the blue, black and white I already have from Zara linen trousers. So I picked it in this blue marl. These are priced somewhere around 2,300 to 2,400, and the linen quality, it's not that great because I have a H&M trouser which I got it last year. It got shrinked. Why I have included this in this video? Actually, the mistake what I did for my previous trouser is that I got that altered from the tailor and then I gave it for the wash. When it got washed, it got shrinked and there is nothing much left. My waist size is 31 for your reference. I got this in a size of 46 and then I kept it for wash. After the first wash, I gave it for alteration, and then right now it's perfect. Coming to the fit, actually these do not have that inseam length. So the trouser, the length, I have to get it hemmed from the tailor, and I just like made it to a crop trouser kind of a vibe to get that. when you show your ankle. That gives that extra vibe if you tuck in with the t-shirts, or if you leave it as is, if I'm wearing with the floral t-shirts. And if you guys are like curious enough what exactly the one which I'm wearing, this is also from H&M, but this is from the previous season. Also, I'm going to make a video on the best floral and printed shirts right now you can buy in India this summer season. Stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did that, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.